Kia ora, I'm Toha from Aotearoa, New Zealand, and I'm excited to share with you my experience with body transformation through Naomi's 12-week program. I was inspired by friends from the art rigging community, and it turned out to be with Naomi, whom I met a few years ago and never hesitated to contact her. I was feeling terrible about myself, tired all the time, lack of motivation, which led to unhealthy eating habits and a cycle of negativity. I wanted to enhance my overall well-being by making informed nutrition choices, develop a more positive self-image, while becoming stronger, fitter and leaner. I'm pleased to say within the 12 weeks I accomplished all of this and more, just by following the program and trusting the process, especially with the guidance of Coach Naomi. She is an exceptional woman, knowledgeable, caring and passionate about women's health. She will support you every step of the way throughout your journey. I've made some significant progress on my body transformation journey, losing 10.5 kilos, reducing my body fat by 10.8% and dropping 2 jean sizes, and greatly improving my confidence and overall happiness, as well as a shift in my mindset. I'm excited to continue my journey with Naomi, setting and achieving new goals. I highly recommend reaching out to Naomi no matter what challenges you're facing. She will help you get there 100%. So give her a call, don't wait, call her now. Big mihi to you, Naomi. I love you and thank you for giving. I look forward to our next venture together. Kia ora.